Want to triple your covered call income without taking on more risk? I'm Mark Yagi, and I've been generating consistent passive income through options for years now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I 3x my covered call income and how you can do it too, especially if you're over 55 like me with a solid portfolio of $500,000 or more. When I started with options, I did what most people do. I bought them. But it wasn't until I switched to selling options that my income and confidence changed completely. And now, fast forwarding years, and today I travel the world and I use these income strategies to do it. And I've helped hundreds of clients, many just like you, build reliable retirement income. This video is based on real success, not theory. Most retirees are leaving serious money on the table. They buy dividend stocks and they hope for the best, or they dabble in covered calls but do it wrong. Too close to the money, wrong timing, poor choices, bad adjustments. That's lost income. But if you know how to tweak the strategy correctly, you can double or even triple your monthly payouts. The solution is surprisingly simple. If you have assets with a $500,000 portfolio and the right approach, covered calls can be a powerful monthly paycheck. You use quality stocks, you time your trades around volatility, and you roll your options smartly. Now, this isn't magic, it's math and it's discipline. Step one, choose institutional quality stocks like Apple or JP Morgan or Tesla. Step two, sell calls 30 to 45 days out, slightly out of the money. Step three, adjust or roll monthly based on market conditions. Step four, use a tiered approach. Some stocks for longer term, others for active income. Repeat this monthly and watch the income stack up. Here's why this works. Options are usually overpriced because implied volatility is often inflated. That means you, the seller, are getting paid more than the fair value. You could be targeting, say, a 30 delta call, and that balances income and probability. It's like a little sweet spot. Now, I'm normally the in the money call seller, and that's an approach that makes me more comfortable too. But you can find out about that in this video right here. These are lessons I learned firsthand with my own money, and they changed how I trade forever. Here we go. Don't over concentrate or over diversify. Diversify across just a few quality names. Consistency beats speculation. Aim for steady monthly income, not a home run. And stay mechanical. Covered calls aren't about timing the market. They're about managing that risk while collecting the income, what I call the juice. My biggest returns came from trusting the system. I'm personally biased toward Apple, and I've made it one of my top holdings. If you know your risk tolerance, trust your process, and stay consistent, income is inevitable. And remember, discipline builds freedom. And there you have it. Now you have the blueprint to 3x your covered call income. It's simple, effective, and most importantly, it's repeatable. If you're ready to put your portfolio to work, subscribe now and check out my masterclass link below. And I'll see you in the next video.